Hi guys, welcome to Okwu ID. We're doing insults part 2. Ahamo Ozi baby.
Ahambo ihe chuku.
Ahamo Omunachi, so when I'm in trouble, but you know.
So how would you say ho or prostitute or neighbor?
Akuna. Or you can say, for emphasis, you say akuna.
Double it 2 times.
That's it. For akuna. You try.
Akuna.
That's it.
Oh, okay, cool.
Akuna, yeah. Onye nzuzu.
The fool.
Foolish person.
Foolish.
Foolish person, man.
Nyenzuzu. Wow.
Iwo nyojo.
Bad.
Isn't it evil?
Person.
An evil person. Or
Evil
bad
person, yeah.
Disgusting. No, not disgusting.
Yeah.
Onye.
Yeah.
You say onye ojo.
On your
Onye ojo. Onye ojo. Jo.
Drop the O.
Onye ojo. Jo.
Plus.
Jo. Onye ojo.
Say o. Jo.
Jo.
No.
Jo. Onye ojo.
Draw it. That's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
say now.
Say onye ojo.
Onye ojo.
That's it.
Oh.
That's it. Okay, next one. Your head is like chicken. How would you say your head is like chicken?
Imerishika okoko. Is it okuko?
Okuko. Imerishika okuko.
Imere.
You mere. Is what?
Ishi.
No, what's mere?
Mere. Look like you're doing your head like.
Okay. Ishi head.
Okuko. Ka okoko.
Yeah. Like a chicken.
Like a chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you say idiot. Idiot, bro.
I don't know.
Onye apale. Or apare.
Okay.
Onye
apare. Yeah, or your people say apale. That's Anambra people.
Fair enough.
Alright.
Yeah, we say apare.
Because we aim a gang common.
You know what I'm saying? The next one is my favorite.
Go on.
Efule.
Efulefu.
What does that mean?
You're finished. You're wayward.
I like that. You're finished. Done out here, man.
Next one. Who's gonna say that?
Not me.
Not me.
It's not nice.
Oh.
Go on.
Oh God.
Alright, so guys, what I'm trying to say is,
The next one.
it's not nice. And mom, if you're watching this, it's not about you. It's for the sake of Okwu ID, yeah?
Okay.
So, Otunegi Wawa.
Yeah.
Meaning what? Go on, guys. Don't be shy.
Let your mom's downstairs explain.
That's not nice at all.
Damn, that one is.
Oh my God.
That one is serious, man.
Oh my gosh.
Don't say this to anyone, though, guys, because it's not.
Are we saying the next one?
No, we're not.
Are we leaving it
We're
for?
really not.
You guys say.
I can't.
No.
You guys say with the chest.
The sentence is too long for me.
Oh my God. I actually can't. I can't.
No, you can. Your ego is moving really nice. Do it.
No, I can't. I physically can't
What do
say
you
this.
physically can't? You control your mouth.
You know what? I'm gonna try to say.
Go on.
Then come on.
Hey, look at
Aqua, Mpuru, Amu, Nagi, Bawa. Mama, oh shit!
Wow.
Oh shit!
So do you want to translate what that means?
Did I get that right?
You tried.
I tried. Okay, cool. But the meaning of that one is let your dad's downstairs as well explode. So
Don't say that.
Don't say that. The last two, just don't say it. It's not really nice.
Next one.
Oturu.
Otoro sabogi dia.
Wow. She felt that one.
retarded sender.
So what does that mean?
Let the eternal diarrhea strike you. I like the eternal, man.
Eternal.
The eternal part is just.
It's a bit strong.
I'm loving it.
Anohia kagema.
Hey.
Anohia kagema. Wow. Oh, yeah, break down.
A wild animal is better than you.
A bush rat.
Anohia. Or you can just say Anohia.
Anohia. That's what I heard that one.
Yeah, or Anofia for our Anambra people.
Oh, yeah.
You're having a whole different conversation.
Let's say Ohia Kagima.
Yeah?
No.
Ano.
I'm doing this one.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Ano.
Ano.
Ohia.
Ohia.
Oh,
So there's two different ones.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have Ohia and Ohia.
Ohia.
The same
Alright.
thing, but different states.
Okay.
Yeah.
So go
Alright.
on, have a go.
Ano Ohia Kagima. No.
Okay.
Okay, drop the accent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go to the village.
Go to the village.
Go there.
Channel it.
Alright. Say none.
Channel your emotic.
What do you guys think this is? About go to the village.
Go to the village. Go there.
Ano Ohia Kagima.
That's it.
There you go.
Say
Yeah.
none.
So that's the end of it.
Just be careful who you say this to.
You say it to.
Your enemy.
Say.
Don't do that. You need to cut it out. Cut it out. That's what.
Never say that to your worst enemy.
No, I feel like you can say this to your friends. And you guys are cool.
Yeah.
You can say this is something you say
She
to your
said say it
friends.
to your friends, and he said never say this to your worst enemy.
I mean, when we say that, it means like say to someone that wouldn't take offense to it, basically.
Then what's the purpose of an insult?
I say it to someone you
No,
hate
but
as
you can
well,
still.
to be
You can
honest.
still I think it goes either way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like if you crush your insult your friend, you can say you are not here.
Yeah.
Type of thing, but it's like haha.
What you
But-
tell me every day.
Okay, fair enough. Okay.
So basically, yes. Just say it as long as if you're gonna get beat up, back it up.
Just never say it to an elder or your parents.
Oh, that's true.
Because
So just say it to anyone you're stronger than.
Yeah.
stronger than, younger than, same age. No, older than,
Stronger than, older than.
Yeah.
Okay.
Older
And-
than.
So basically say this to children.
I mean,
No, I mean,
Say it to anyone who hasn't
Yeah.
come in.
That's it.
yes,
yeah.
that's it. Anyone
And
has it
if you,
coming.
Anyone that's
if you
asking.
do get beat up, make sure you can back it up.
Yeah,
Okay. So short children is your target.
I mean, short children can be on smoke. Short kids can be on smoke as well. So.
Wait, so in English, are you guys only insulting people that are younger than you?
I mean,
Do you insult your mom?
Huh?
Do you ever insult your
my
mom?
siblings can hold
Siblings, there we go.
man.
Okay, but siblings are different. That's like siblings.
Yeah, you know what I
So you
mean?
can insult yourself. Okay.
Imagine telling your siblings,
Come on, my brother.